let's move to the second part of this work with text chapter. So we will talk about the different levels of style on starting from the paragraph level, then the run level, and the text box or text frame level. So let's directly go to the demo. So first is the paragraph levels style. When you set your text style, you can set on the text frame or set the style to the text itself. So when we set to the text itself, it's familiar, the one we call the paragraph. So setting the style to text is just like it's setting the style to paragraph or setting the style to run. So we must familiar quite a lot already with those run. So let's and the paragraph. So it's just coming from the different library. So let's starting from this 8.7.4. So paragraph level style. So first is PPTX, import presentation, and we should instance of a presentation, and I believe this we will need to save. So ppt save 874.pptx. So let's try. It's coming the file here. Then that's correct. And besides the presentation, we also need to load those styles. So pptx.enum.text with this pp. So that's in the Word is also have the similar name, but here is starting from pp is a PowerPoint, the paragraph alignment. And also we load the length. You can load this pound or you can load the cm, so it's whatever, but it's just used here, space before. So let's load cm, so which we make easier to understand the length. And same is we need to create our new slide through this ppt slides.add slide, and we use the layout, slide layouts. We use this 0, and then define our shape. Shape is the slides shapes 0. So this 0 you may slide, not S. So that's this title line in this layout 0. And then let's put that in mind is we are adding the graph. A paragraph is the shape text frame, because it is a text frame, so we don't need to check whether has text frame. So we did that in previously test already. But if you only write this code, you'd better to have that if this shape is dot has the text frame, and if that's true, then you can continue. If not, possible is you need to generate some error handlings. So here is we have our paragraph. So if I run this, is no effect. So first we make clear paragraph.clear. But at this, in fact, is you don't need to do this because it's empty. Then we are adding our text is Office meets Python. So that is the first line, and then we have this \n. Then we put this Office 语件 in Chinese Python. So that should be 2 lines. The text. Let's see. We can run to check is our file. So it's very easy. So you are creating some contents here. and let's close. And what we will continue is we do by default is in the middle align. So let's try this style. So paragraph dot alignment. Alignment is just our property. So pp paragraph alignment. We just make a left. So let's run and have a look. You can see now these two lines are back. Go to the left aligned. So that is the this alignment, and similarly you can try center, right, justify, distributed. So we don't do this all. So, and we have another part is the level. Level is 0, so you can have the 0 to 9 to 8. Let's try the 8. So that is the lowest level. So let's have a look. So you can see the text is getting smaller. So that is defined by these levels. By default is level 0. So if you put this in the level 0, you don't see any the difference. And another style is in the paragraph is the line space. By default is 50. I think it's line spacing. So you can give the by default is just one line. So let's see the 2.0. So that should be make a large spacing. So you can see these two lines spacing. You can also give this the absolute value. So if I put, let me comment this. Let's see, I have a CM. Let's give a CM 5. So let's just have a look. So from line 1 to line 2, here is a CM5. So that is a very direct effect that you can put. And also we have the space before, space after. So I don't type this because if you have a multiple paragraph, you may have those the different this space you can put in the before and after. So that is just the different level of those the styles. So let's move to the run level. So let me create. This one. Let me create 1875 run style. So we have the first is PPTX import presentation, and we will have our PPT equal to presentation. I use equal, but actually this is the assignment. So and we finally we have our PPT saved to the 875.ptx. So let's run this to generate our file. Correct. Then continue. So we have some more libraries need to load. For the run level, we will have this DML color. So we will start to check some the runs text colors, RGB color. And from ptx.utility import, let's continue use CM. And we already have this, and let's create our slide. Is the ppt.slides.add slide. I hope it's now you can start to remember those quite clear. So slide layouts, and we use the 0 as well. So that is our slide page, and we have a shape page. Is shape is the slide dot shape first. So then we have a different paragraph, not like the last one. So we generate the paragraph is shape dot text frame dot paragraph 0, and the paragraph dot add run. So that is the within this paragraph we start to add the run. When we add run, we can directly give the text the property. So of this, so that is first the run graph add run x equal to 遇上了 meets. So we have this to run, and we can use another way to add run. So we can put the variable, so run equal to paragraph dot add run. So we add empty run, then we can start to use this variable to run text equal to Python. So let's run this. Let's see. We should have all these 3 run can be generated because they are in the same paragraph. So we add run, but they are in the same line. So we generate this 1 line text, but in fact they are 3 runs. We can set those different run with the different the style. So let's just use the last one to do the things. So we will put this we run and give that bigger. So cn, let's make this big. So 20, I think that should be big enough. Let's see how big. It's too big, so let's make that small. So maybe 3. Yeah, that is viewable. So this one now is, you see here is a 微软雅黑. Here is Calibri. So those are the default font. So now we can change the font, we can change the size, and run.font bold. This is the boolean, so true. We can make that bold, we can make that italic. It's also the boolean. And we can make the underline. It's the boolean. And run RGB. And we give the color, so we use this RGB and from string. Then we can start to give is 4012F is RGB, so that is a blue one. So 0000, you can use the capital. So let's have a look before we add hyperlink. So that is good enough. So we have the bold, italic, underline, and also we have this. I think is the color. Let's see the color. So if you see here, so the customize, you see 00 and 255 is the FF. So RGB. So you got this hex level. So that is perfect follow our code. And the last is we can give the hyperlink. So run font, not the font, just the hyperlink property. Hyperlink address. So you can use the single code or the double code. So HTTPS python.org. So that let's have a look. you can see the click and you got this hyperlink assigned. So that's very nice. And last is we can set for run in paragraph runs. If you use this the comma and this -1, so we will set the style until the last one or the last two. So that is except the last run. So this is the way to set the range. We have a 3 run, and we use for run in paragraph dot runs, and we until the last one, and we give this run font name equal to, maybe I give a 楷体, and the run font size equal to CM4. It's bigger, and we gave the run font color so we let them is as the right. So let's so paragraph. So here is the paragraph. So that is the typo, and we can see our documents now. So it's very big, but indeed it's even for English words is the 楷体. So now we have 楷体, we have this font size bigger than this Python. So and we have the color. So from here, I hope you get some ideas how you can set style to the run level. It looks complicated, but I actually it just follow the those syntax one by one. So that is the 875. Last is let's see the 876. Let's create that is 876. So text frame style dot py. So we come to the lowest level. So let's go to, so primarily is on this text style is just control the position of the text within your text frame, and also have this auto wrap. So when our wrapped words, so if it's too long, then they go to the another line. So that's those key properties that we can set. So import presentation and the PPT equal to presentation, and we save to 7876.ptx. Let's generate our result. So let me run this. So this file is coming. And let's load enough library. So ptx, this new style for text. So import is MSO text vertical anchor. So that is one. And then the same is let me load CM utility import CM. And we have our PPT, then we create our slide. It's a PPT slides, add slide. And we use this 0 as well. So slide, the layouts, 0. And we have our shape is the first shape. So slide dot shapes, 0. Text frame equal to shape dot text frame, and we will have our property of text equal to shape. Oh, not directly give this of this 语件了 Python and we will do the offset. So text frame is using the margin left. It's 0. So let's see what's our file now. So we have this file. So it's by default is in middle. Let's create this. Let's make the shift offset to 50. So let's see. Well, I don't see they have those effect. So let's see. So offset is so it's not this absolute value. So we should have CM. Maybe with CM5 is or big enough. So. That's we cannot see this effect. So that's offset is to the right, a little more right. So that's we offset from left. And that's the same as if what we want to set is offset from top. Let's not make that too big, so just 2. So you can see from here, it's not in the middle one, it's go to something bottom or lower. So those are the offset. And then let's comment that. Let the text is back to the middle. Then we have this alignment on this vertical. By default, this vertical is in the middle. So let's put this text frame vertical anchor is equal to MSO. Vertical is let's say top. Just test this and see it should get to top. If you click this, oh, it's not go to top. So let's see here. You can check from this one. So shape formats. Text option. This is the text box. So vertical is still middle. So that is not read. So MSO and see vertical anchor dot top G sharp text frame. Oh, here. So it's the dot. Let's click this again. That's good. So you can see now. You can check from here the format shape and from here text option from here. So this is top. So what we are changing this option is all properties change like here. And let's done this. I think we can continue to see this auto wrap. So we have our slides. So this we can reuse, and we should have our text box. So let's see. So these are the text box should be in the shapes add the text box. So let's just type this continue. So text box is equal to slide dot shapes dot add text box. We have the CM, so that's perfect. 3 CM 5 CM. That is one is the left, the top, and width and height. So we have our text box. Then let's see the text frame 1. Try not to conflict with above text frame. And this text box, text frame. So then text frame 1, content is text. So office 遇上了 Python 从此他们就幸福的在一起了。It's long enough. So just the ensure is long. So let me repeat this. So this the author repeat that 10 times. So that should be enough. So let's see. So text frame 1.word wrap. You don't need the additional library, I think. So let's have a look. It may be overlapping with your the text frame, but we just want to check the effect. So that is our text box, you can see. So it's auto wrap. So if we don't have this auto wrap, let's see. So let's comment this, then we run, and you will get this just in one line. So that is clearly the effect for this auto wrap Boolean value. Okay, so I hope you follow this pace, and we finished the work with text until now. So what we will going to do is we have 3 parts following. So one is the chart, and then table, then picture. After that is we will conclude the PowerPoint part. Yeah, so see you in this add chart part. Bye for now.